Good day, ma'am and sir. My name is Rochelle Abapo, 33 years old from the Philippines. I am single, a high school graduate, and a certified caregiver. I am interested for domestic helper position as I have 2 years of experience in Singapore and 4 years and 8 months in the Philippines. I was responsible to cook and clean, go to the market, and do washing and ironing as well. Because of my experience in abroad, it made me decide to work in Hong Kong as they offer good compensation and benefits. I believe that Hong Kong is one of the best countries to work with. I would be so happy for the opportunity to come experience living and working in your family because I have genuine love for the kids, elderly, passion in doing household chores. I am available as soon as possible. Thank you.